How often should you withdraw from trading account? When it comes to withdrawing from your trading account, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on your goals, trading style, and personal financial needs. How often do you withdraw from your trading accounts? Leave your comments in the comments section below. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. I've found that understanding your own situation is key to deciding how often you should be taking money out. For instance, if you're consistently profitable, you might want to set a rule for yourself to withdraw a percentage of those profits regularly, maybe weekly or monthly. It's a great feeling to see your earnings grow, and taking some of that out as a reward can keep you motivated. On the other hand, if you're more focused on long-term growth, you might choose to leave most of your profits in the account, letting them compound over time. I know some traders who only withdraw when they hit a specific profit target, and they swear by this approach because it helps them stay disciplined. Risk management also plays a huge role in deciding when to withdraw. Personally, I believe in pulling out profits regularly as part of managing risk. If the markets turn against you, having already secured some of your earnings can prevent you from losing it all. A lesson I've learned from experience. And of course, if you're relying on trading as your main source of income, regular withdrawals become more of a necessity. You'll want to cover your living expenses without dipping into your trading capital. I've also noticed that psychology comes into play. Regular withdrawals can create a sense of achievement and help prevent overtrading. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making money, but knowing that you're banking those profits can keep you grounded. In the end, finding the right balance between reinvesting and withdrawing can help grow your account while making sure you're securing the fruits of your hard work. It's all about what makes the most sense for you.